Hello everyone, welcome in Pharma Scholars Academy. Myself Rutuja. Today I am going to explain you some important rules which are needed for elimination reactions in organic chemistry. Elimination reactions, it means there is a elimination of some byproducts which is ethanol, butanol, alcohol, water or the alkyl halides. For the elimination, there is a presence of two rules. One is Sedgwick and second one is Hoffman elimination rule. Sedgwick rule also called as Sedgwick's rule. In Sedgwick, most substituted alkene formed as major product during elimination and Hoffman least substituted alkene formed as minor product during elimination. I will explain you in detail by using example. Dehydration of alcohol, it means removal of water molecule. The reactant which I have taken, which is butanol, butane to OL, in the addition with the sulfuric acid, the hydrogen group which is present at sulfuric acid which is get attached with the OH group and there is a removal of water molecule. Depend upon the addition of hydrogen to the formation of double bond, two products get formed. One is major and another one is a minor. Major product is but2A and E, which is more substituted alkene, and minor product is less substituted alkene. Major product also called as more stable and more favored product, and minor product which is less substituted product called as less stable and less favored. So you can see that major more and minor less. Okay. So the most stable and major product is Sedgwick product and minor product which is Hoffman elimination product. In a removal of water and alkyl halide, which is dehydration and the dehalogenation reactions, there is no any difference in between the mechanism. The basic difference is that in dehydration, there is a removal of hydroxy group, and in dehydrohalogenation, there is a removal of OH group. In detail, mechanism. So first of all, the hydrogen which is in a dark blue comes from the sulfuric acid and get attached with the OH group of the butanol. There is a formation of water molecule. After removal of OH group, there is a formation of secondary carbocation. The secondary carbocation is OH group present at which carbon? This is called as alpha carbon. And another, this CH3 and CH2 are the beta carbon. This first beta and second beta. Now, both beta carbon have hydrogen atom for the formation of double bond. So according to Sedgwick rule, there is a formation of more substituted alkene, which is major product. It means first hydrogen group used for the formation of double bond. And according to Hoffman elimination, the second carbon which is used for the formation of double bond. So according to first, double bond get formed at second and third carbon, and according to second hydrogen, the double bond is get formed between the first and second carbon. Okay. After the formation of product, but2E and E requires low energy for transition state. So that's why the product is more thermodynamically stable and kinetically more favored. But but1E and E requires higher energy for transition state. That's why the product is thermodynamically less stable and kinetically less favored. But Sedgwick rule have one exception, is that normally Sedgwick rule says that most substituted product is the subject product and is the major product, and Hoffman product is less substituted alkene and the minor product. But when we use more substituted reagent. In first reaction, there is a presence of NOMe. Me is a methyl group. And in second reaction, you can see that I have taken tertiary butyl. When methyl group is replaced with the tertiary butyl, which is more substituted reagent, exception get formed. When we react with the more substituted reagent, there is a formation of product which is SEDZF, more substituted alkene but minor product. Hoffman product, which is more substituted, less substituted but major product. Because of when we add more substituted reagent at third carbon of hydrogen, then there is a formation of steric hindrance due to the bulkial group and the product is not favored. But in Hoffman product, less substituted alkene is there, that's why there is a less steric hindrance and the product is more favored one. So this is about elimination rules for the elimination reactions.